we'll see how this ends up progressing. But got Maggie's car off the trailer. Got this turd fired up, which it is. I mean, we're not building this car into a race car. The car is straight, but for the time being, I think we're just gonna be robbing parts off it. But this thing is janky as hell. Yeah, that's how, it's the only way it runs. Somebody already yanked out part of the dash. That's how the alternator's not doing anything. She runs, but she don't run great. This is a single cam Neon too. We're done with a single cam life. And once that one blows up, eventually we're going dual cam. But let's add more parts for it. This car is packed full of parts. Like I said, there's 4 sets of heads. There's even more in the trunk. So, you know that right there's gonna get you all the power. Alright, don't mind my frickin' exhaust manifold ticking. Is that not a sight to behold, boys? What a unit. Let's get these over to the shop. See what we can do. I give a quick shout out to Don Whiteside of Whiteside's Workshop here on YouTube. Click into it, subscribe. He sent us for free, he messaged me out of the blue and was like, hey, I have a standalone AEM harness and ECU that works for the Neon. It has no use for it. They're big Ecotech guys. They run Cobalts and stuff, Cavaliers. He sent that to me at no charge, and I really much appreciate it. Well, I have no idea what we need to do to make it run in the car. I guess I just plug it in and see what happens, but I'm assuming it would have to have an actual tune put on it. Eventually we'll see what that does. I do know that the dual and single cam PCMs are kind of interchangeable in some years. I don't know 100%. I gotta do some research on it. I tried to look online real quick with Google what that PCM he sent me is, and it looks like it's very rare. So thank you, and into the rest of the video. Hey, to a race car thing. Came into the shop this morning. It looks like we're getting a little progress here. Haven't been in and see what Maggie's car looks like yet, but I know for sure this car had more doors and hood and stuff on it yesterday. So let's go in and see what we got. Well, it's up to, I need to pull this car in the rest of the way and pull all these parts out.
That's better. It got a lot better. Greg's seen that tip off 2 or 3 times now, so.
Alright guys, we have body, bumper, hood, both fenders, everything are back on this car. Make it all one piece. So now we gotta paint it, wrap it. I don't even know what we're gonna do with it, but a lot of time and effort went into it, honestly. And we also lost a lot of weight. I'm gonna show you the scrap pile. There between the doors, the inner structure of the shell of the car that was still in there, we cut all that out. So like, there's basically 2 layers. The inner layer on throughout the entire car, the trunk, all the mechanisms for the trunk, all that shit is gone now. I'm hoping we lost 100 pounds. It's gotta be somewhere near there. But she'll be ready for Friday. I just don't know how pretty it's gonna be. In this video, and this is your first time on the channel, I'm gonna put a quick video at the end of this showing this thing in action. Comment, like, subscribe, follow us. We build all sorts of cool shit.